Hey everybody! I'm here today to tell you and show you how to get rid of chapped lips fast with chapstick. This will be a super easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, you can get many different variations of chapstick. I have two right here that I oftentimes use, and I keep these in my jacket pocket at all times. I have one option here, which is Blistex Ultra Protection. I got this a couple of years ago and I still use it. And then I also have this Nivea Men Active Care option right here, which I use oftentimes. I just got this, I believe this year, and I've used quite a bit of it. This is one that I use when my lips are really chapped and I really want to heal them. And this is one that I use on a more regular basis just to prevent them from getting chapped. Okay, so basically they're really easy to use. My lips, as you can see, are not really that chapped, but they're definitely a little bit dry. So I'm going to show you how to use it. You want to open up your chapstick lid. So in this case, it's this large piece, but in this other one over here, it's just going to be just a tiny little lid. Okay. Then you're going to expose the chapstick. Now you'll notice the chapstick can be raised or lowered. Okay. Raised or lowered, just like that. You don't want to have too much of it exposed because then it's more prone to breaking and it's probably going to scrape on the lid and it's going to get all dirty. So you just want just a little bit exposed. As you can see, just a little bit of it is exposed right there. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply it to the upper lip, just like this, and the lower lip. And then I'm going to rub my lips together. Now, most of the time that's going to be more than enough. So in my case right here, I don't want my lips to be too shiny or anything like that or to draw too much attention, so that's enough. And I don't want to add any more to it because, as I showed you, my lips are not really chapped, they're just dry, okay? But when they are chapped, what I recommend is that you do it a second time. So if my lips were really chapped, I would take the chapstick and I would go to the upper lip and the lower lip again, rub my lips together, and that's really going to allow them to, to stop being chapped. Now, I do recommend that if your lips are really chapped, that you apply it as often as you need to. As soon as your lips become dry again, apply more chapstick if they're really chapped. However, if they're just a little bit dry like mine, then I usually apply it, I don't know, like maybe twice a day, basically before I'm going to go outside. Or if I notice that they feel sort of dry. So for the most part, if your lips are really chapped, you're going to continue applying it to keep them moist until they sort of are not as chapped, not severely chapped. But if they're just a little bit dry like mine, then you maybe want to apply it once a day or twice a day. You don't want to overdo it because you do want your lips to breathe and get oxygen, because that's part of the healing process as well. That's it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.